It's really frustrating that Netflix canceled its free trial and now you need a subscription just to access its content. Even with a paid version, there are still a lot of download restrictions. For example, downloads can only be saved for up to 30 days. But don't worry, I will show you the perfect way to save Netflix for free forever without any subscription. For this, your go-to solution is MovePilot All-in-One Video Downloader. With it, you can permanently download Netflix content in HD to any device. Plus, MovePilot offers the same viewing experience as Netflix since it keeps the original multilingual subtitles and audio tracks. Click this link to try out the faster download speed, and let's see how it works. Start by going to the home page of MovePilot All-in-One Video Downloader. Choose Netflix and log into your account. Then search directly for the movies or TV series, and the result will show up in a second. You can access and download any Netflix content you want without a subscription required. On this page, you can select the HD 1080p and MP4 or MKV format as the output setting, as well as enjoy the Dolby Digital 5.1 surround sound. Once you've finished your customization, simply hit the download and MovePilot will batch download at 5 times faster speed with hardware acceleration. Just within a few minutes, a brand new Netflix movie will be saved on your computer. In short, why subscribe to a download permit that lasts only 30 days when you can have it forever and for free? What are you still waiting for? Click this link and try MovePilot right now.